Hey guys, I'm David, back at Blade Show for the first time in 4 years, on the hunt for amazing knives, interesting people, old friends, and cool stuff like this.
Hey guys, David at Blade Show 2026 with Kyle at WorkSharp.
What's up, guys?
Okay, WorkSharp makes knives. If you didn't know that, see the other videos. But they're most known
for making sharpeners.
For making sharpeners,
yep.
And brilliant sharpeners. And we're going to talk about my favorite sharpener ever right now.
The guided field sharpener. Everybody who takes care of their knife should have this in their pack, their truck, wherever it is. Yeah. Because it makes it really easy and approachable to freehand sharpen. So what most people worry about when they're sharpening is what angle do I hold my knife to?
Yeah.
With the angle guides built in, you're right at that 20 degrees. All you have to concentrate on at this point is staying consistent as you draw across that stone. So angle guides are built in, you can build that muscle memory. It starts with coarse, then you've got medium, you've got a ceramic, and you've got leather as well. What's cool about the ceramic is if you look here, you'll see that it's on a fine, and then as I rotate it, you'll see this little groove right here in the ceramic. That's for fish hooks. You take your fish hook in there, touch them up, and then you've got an interrupted surface as well. A little coarser, but really overbuilt little sharpener.
So that coarser, would you use that more like a kitchen knife hone? Would you go like?
I typically tend to use this on like a recurve. So sometimes I'll have a blade with like a curve in it that won't fit on a flat stone. But if I have this rounded stone I can follow and I need a little more bite, I'll use that because it kind of, the interrupted surface almost acts like a coarse ceramic.
Gotcha.
So, serrations, yep, that's this little rod right here as well. So we've got the serration sharpener as well. That gets in between those small serrations. You can also use the big one on the larger serrations.
Right.
And then it finishes up on this preloaded leather. The green hue is actually compound, and it'll darken up as you use it. And it'll work its way into the leather, so you get a little bit of abrasion there as well.
Nice.
And then the one thing nobody knows is where their directions are when it comes to their guided field sharpener.
Yeah.
That's because we hide them on the inside. All the directions are hidden on the inside.
Right.
Also makes for a great place to stick tinder if you're out on the trail. You've got a bow wrench on the back of it as well.
Oh, nice, that's brilliant.
The other nice thing about the plates being removable is when you throw it in your pack, you can put the abrasive side on the inside so you're not rubbing it on anything that you're worried about.
And do you sell the plates separate? So
we do, yeah. The plates are like $8 a piece to replace, so that's everything on the sharpener is easily replaceable.
Nice.
So.
And you could put, like you said, tinder, you could put a fire steel in there if you wanted some extra stropping compound or something.
Exactly, yep.
Right?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
All right, where can people find you and it?
WorkSharpTools.com.
Okay. Dude, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Have a great show.
It's fun.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real quick to tell you about my new knife, the MSK-1 Elite X, that's live on Kickstarter right now. You obviously love knives, so if a versatile, field-proven, fixed blade survival knife that can chop, cut, carve, crush, drill, defend, and get you safely home sounds interesting, go check it out. I really appreciate it. Links are in the bio. Thank you so much.